Good morning, student. Welcome to the online classes. I Vishal Anand. Today I will teach you chapter 8 solar and lunar eclipse in social studies. Now let's start the chapter. Eclipse. An eclipse takes place when one heavenly body such as moon or a planet moves into the shadow of another heavenly body. Now, our first topic is solar eclipse. While orbiting around the earth, the moon comes between the sun and the earth. In such a situation, the moon completely covers the disk of the sun and blocks the light of the sun from reaching the earth. This causes an eclipse of the sun, or what is known as solar eclipse. When the moon is between the earth and the sun, it casts two shadows on the earth. One is umbra and another is penumbra. Now children, solar eclipse occur when moon comes between the sun and the earth. Now, the dark center part of the shadow is called the umbra. Now, this location is called the umbra. Dark part of the shadow is called umbra. The shadow gets smaller as it reaches the earth and covers only a small part of the earth. This is called total solar eclipse. This happens only once in every 18 months. Now, people watching the eclipse from this location, means umbra location, will see the total solar eclipse. People watching the eclipse from this location will see the total eclipse. It does not last more than 7 minutes 30 seconds, and you can see it only if you at the perfect location. The outer shadow which gets bigger while reaching the earth is called penumbra. People watching the eclipse in the penumbra location will see only partial eclipse. Means this location, from this location is called penumbra. Penumbra location, people watching the eclipse from this location will see the partial eclipse. Now, solar eclipse can harm your eyes. You should protect your eyes by wearing proper safety equipment. While watching the eclipse, beware of fake equipments. All dark glasses are not meant for it. You must be wondering how the moon, which is much smaller than the sun, blocks the sunlight. If you look in the sky, the moon and the sun appear to be of the same size because of the moon is closer to the earth than the sun. Try putting your thumb close to your eyes. Even a distant mountain gets blocked out. Now our second topic is lunar eclipse. The moon does not have light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. When the moon is also called luna, gets completely hidden from view, it is called lunar eclipse. The earth and the moon both are orbiting the space. The earth goes around the sun and the moon revolves around the earth. It is so happen on some of the full moon days that the moon and the only earth shadow fall on the moon. This is called lunar eclipse. It can happen only on full moon night. Now, lunar eclipse occurs when earth comes between the sun and the moon. And this location is called umbra and this location is called penumbra. The total lunar eclipse occurs when the moon and the sun are on exact opposite sides of the earth. Despite being in the earth's shadow, some light of the sun fall on the moon. While passing through the earth's atmosphere, the blue light gets filtered out. This makes the moon appear to be red to the people on the earth. In a partial lunar eclipse, only a part of the moon enters the earth's shadow. The Earth's shadow makes that part of the moon look very dark. The lunar eclipse lasts for a few hours and there is no harm in looking at it. Total lunar eclipses are rare phenomena. Now, in page number 63, we have given quick recap. I will read for you. There are two kinds of eclipse. One is solar eclipse, another is lunar eclipse. The earth orbits the sun and the moon goes round the earth. Their path and shadow are the reason for eclipse. When the moon comes between the sun and the earth, solar eclipse occurs. When the earth comes between the sun and the moon, lunar eclipse occurs. Now children, your chapter is completed. This is all for today. Thank you.